In this video, I'm going to show you how to display an eBay reviews feed in Elfsight. Let's get started. To add an eBay reviews feed to your website, go to the Elfsight dashboard and search for the eBay reviews widget. Once you find it, click on the widget and wait for the editor to load completely. After the editor opens, choose a template that fits the design of your website. Elfsight offers different layouts, so you can preview them and select the one you prefer. Next, locate the section where you can connect your eBay store. Click Connect, then enter your eBay store URL or the specific eBay page you want to pull reviews from. Once the link is added, confirm the connection so the widget can automatically import your reviews. You can then customize the appearance of the reviews feed by adjusting layouts, colors, fonts, and review display settings directly inside the editor. When everything is ready, click Publish. If prompted, select the plan you want to use. After publishing, Elfsight will generate an embed code for your widget. Copy that code and paste it into your website where you want the eBay reviews feed to appear. That's how you can display an eBay reviews feed in Elfsight. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.